Are you curious about the rise of one of the most widely used programming languages in the world? A language that has revolutionized the way we interact with technology. Stay tuned to find out the intriguing story of how it became so popular on Breezy Programmer. Subscribe now to join us on this thrilling journey. First, the early days. The language was first introduced in 1979, and initially, it was just like any other language, with limited capabilities. But little did the world know, it was about to change the face of programming forever. Second, the breakthrough. As the world of computing advanced, the language kept pace, adding new features and capabilities. It was its versatility that made it stand out. From operating systems to desktop applications, the language could be used to develop virtually anything. Third, the rise. The language's popularity skyrocketed in the 90s as it became the language of choice for developing commercial software. Major tech companies such as Microsoft, Apple, and Oracle started using it for their products. Fourth, the domination. Today, the language is one of the most widely used programming languages in the world. It is used in a variety of applications, from game development to scientific computing, and from financial systems to embedded systems. Its popularity shows no signs of slowing down. So there you have it, the rise of one of the most popular programming languages in the world. But the story doesn't end here. Join us next time as we uncover the mystery behind the creation of C on Breezy Programmer. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated on our latest content. The past is just a prologue, and the future is where the real excitement lies. Stay tuned for our next episode, where the suspense will leave you on the edge of your seat.